Hello, welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be building Lego Technics 42161, the Lamborghini Hurricane. I'm going to build it bag at a time and then we'll go from there. So here we go, the first unboxing. As you can tell, they're just the normal Lego pieces. There's bag 3, bag 1, bag 2. As you can tell, there's quite a few bags. That one's number 1. Number 3. And that's the instructions. As you can tell, just usual, easy to build, easy to understand Lego. So let's get into it. Right, so here we go. Bag 1 will be this one here. As you can see, shows all of these. The way I normally do it is I set all the pieces out first in each individual bag. There you go, there's all the first pieces. Obviously there's these 3 bags here which I'll end up putting into containers, so they're easy to pick out. So I'll go back and I'll sort these out, put them in boxes, and then I'll be back with you. Right, there's everything sorted now. That's everything in packet in page 1. In bag 1, which is going to be starting there. So let's get on with the build and see how we get on. Right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's bag number 1. As you can see, there's some pieces left over, which is normal with the Lego itself. I'm sorry about missing some of the last couple of pages out, as my camera on my phone crashed. So hopefully next time I'll have it all sorted. So next time we'll be going on to bag 2, and then hopefully it'll go a bit quicker. So please like, subscribe, send us a comment, and I'll see if I can do anything. If there's anything you'd like us to verify, please let us know, and hope to see you on the next one.